I was super excited to find this bag of tomatoes on sale at Walmart for $2. Inside the bag, there was 8 big, juicy, ripe tomatoes. Honestly, these tomatoes were better than the ones that were not on sale. For today's recipe, I'm only using 3 of the smaller tomatoes. I'm going to rinse it clean and then I'm going to cut it in half and remove the heads. Cut the tomato into smaller chunks. Look at the color of these tomatoes. It's just perfect. Next, slice 3 to 4 slices of ginger. I am using 2 green onions from the pot that I planted about a month ago. If you are like me and you use a lot of green onion in your cooking, I highly recommend that you grow your own. What I do is take the head of the green onion I buy from the supermarket and I put it in soil. Rinse and then cut or dice your green onion. Crack 4 to 5 eggs into a mixing bowl. If you would like more eggs in your dish, you're welcome to add 5, but I'm just using 4 today. Add 2 tablespoons milk, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk everything together. Add 1 tablespoon of oil to a non-stick pan on high heat. Toss in your ginger and saute. Now add your tomatoes and saute. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Continue to saute your tomatoes. Set your tomato aside and then add the egg mixture into your wok. Slowly saute your egg mixture until it's 70% cooked. You want your egg to be silky smooth, so you do not want to overcook it. When your eggs look like this, add the tomato and gently fold everything together. You do not want to move the tomatoes too much, as that releases too much liquid into your dish. Plate the tomato and egg and then sprinkle the green onion garnish. You can enjoy this dish with rice or with noodle. I hope you enjoy this easy and tasty dish. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe.